Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I am super excited because I'm going to be talking about how you could use Instagram Reels for your Etsy business. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first one notified of any new videos. So let's go ahead and get started. This was a requested video that many of you guys asked me to do. But before I show you how to actually do a Reels video for your business, let's talk about what is Reels, right? So Instagram recently announced Instagram Reels, and it's a fun way to record and edit 15-second multi-clip videos, and you could add audio, you could add effects and new creative tools. Now, Reels is a direct competitor with TikTok. So if you are an avid user of Instagram, you probably have seen tons of Reel videos in your Explorer page. And since the videos are getting posted on the Explorer page, which is where we all want to land, as an Etsy owner, this means that you could reach more people and tap into new audiences. And this is huge for business owners right now. So I highly recommend using Reels, since it's just another way to get more exposure back to your products and services. And if you use it the right way, it could totally be a game changer for your Etsy business. Now, when you're ready to go ahead and create, let's say, your very first Reels, you will have a variety of editing tools on the left side of your screen. So I want to kind of go over each one before we actually create the video. So the first one you will see is the audio. So you could do search for a song from the Instagram music library. And another nice thing about Reels is that you could use your original audio if you have any as well. Now, another effect is, or another editing tool is the AR effect. And you could select one of the many effects in the effect gallery. And it also lets you record multiple clips with different effects, which is really nice. Another editing tool is the timer and countdown. So you're able to set the timer to record any of your clips hand-free. And once you press the timer and press record, you will see like a countdown, like a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And another editing tool is called the align, and it lines up your objects from your previous clip before you record your next clip, and it helps you create like seamless transitions, which is really nice. And the last editing tool is the speed. So you're able to choose your speed. You're able to go up or down. You're able to slow down any part of your video. This could help you stay on a beat or make slow motion videos. So it's really cool with all the editing tools. And let's head over to my Instagram account, and I will explain how to find it, and we'll do a Reels together. Okay, so the next step is to click on Instagram. Click on your profile picture, click on the plus sign. It's going to open this screen. You're going to have on the bottom live, story, and Reels. So you're going to go to Reels. And from here, you'll have the audio, the speed, the effects, and timer. These are all the editing tools that you could use to edit your Reel video. The audio will be the music, so you could come in here and search for any type of music. I won't select the music clip right now, only because I will get ding from YouTube for copyright. After that, once you have the music that you want, or you could just record yourself talking. You don't necessarily need to play music if you don't want to. The next step is to choose the speed. You could leave it as is if you want to just do a regular standard video. But if you want to do like slower or faster, then this is where you will pick to go ahead and change the settings. And then this is the effect. This is where you will find filter or effects that you already have downloaded to your Instagram account, or you could find new ones that you could download and use. This is one that I normally play with my son a lot. But as you could see, there's a whole bunch of different effects that you could use for your videos if you wanted to as well. So once you do that, let's say you pick the effect that you want if you find one, or you could just leave as is, right? And then on the bottom, this is the timer. And this is like great for when you do clips that you want to use for like hands-free, and you want to have a countdown like 3, 2, 1, and then you do like a move or you dance or you do something else. That's great for that. So depending on what you want to use, let's say once you're ready to do your videos, you could do, keep in mind that you could record little clips of your video and then put them all together if you wanted to. And how you do that is you will press the Instagram icon on your screen right now to record, and when you're done recording, you unpress it to stop recording, and it will have a small clip. So let's go ahead and do one real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Hey guys, you should be using Instagram Reels for your Etsy business, and in my new video I'll tell you why. And you see how I stopped it and it has like a little progress bar on the top? That's one clip. And then if I wanted to create another clip, but I wanted to create like a seamless transition from the first clip to the second clip, you will see this new little editing tool that just popped up, which is the Align editing tool. So if you click on it, it's gonna look weird, right? Because it's gonna have my face. That's where I finished talking on the first video. So if I wanted to do a second video and I wanted it to be a good transition between both of them, like a seamless one, I would put my face like this, right? I will align it. And then I will start recording from there, like this. I know it looks so weird. So make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel to watch my latest video. I will see you there. So now when you play it, you should be using Instagram Reels for your Etsy business. A good transition. And in my new video, I'll tell you why. So make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel. It doesn't look too weird. Like even though I did two separate clips, it looks like it was one full clip. Hey guys, so you should. That's the point of using the transition for your. Now, once you're ready, let's say you're happy with the video. I'll tell you why. This is what you want to go ahead and make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel. Do other stuff with it to watch my latest. So I'm gonna lower the volume. I will see you there of the video, so I don't be talking crazy. You should be using over it. But what you could do is you could add emojis if you wanted to. You could do stickers if you wanted to. So make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel to watch my latest video. Anything you want if you wanted to. And hey guys, you could do text, any type of text that you want. For your Etsy business. You can say and in my new video, I'll tell you Reels video, right? So make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel. Whatever you want to add, whatever type of text you want to add, you can put new products and services. New shop, hey guys, whatever you're doing at that current moment. Instagram whatever you're promoting at that current moment. So I'm going to delete this for now. I'll tell you why. So once you're happy, so make sure that you head over to my YouTube channel to your clip, and you're pretty happy with it. I will see you there. What you could do next is you could just click on the white button right here on the right. You could press next, and from here you could share it to your actual feed on Instagram, and you can also share it to your stories. Now, keep in mind, when you share it to Instagram stories, it will disappear after 24 hours. When you share it in your feed, it will stay there forever, and you will have a new tab that says Reels. Like you have your feed, Reels, IGTV if you have used it, and your tag photos. And you will write your caption. What I recommend, what I did for my videos that I think helped me also get a lot of views, is I wrote the caption and I used hashtags. I use all 30 hashtags that are relevant to whatever I was talking about. So you want to make sure that you write a caption. You want to make sure that you include your hashtags. And once you're done here, let's say I'm just going to write anything for the video now, new video. Once you're done here, you could also put it in your Instagram story so you could share it. And then once you're done here, all you're going to do is share, and it's going to automatically put it in your Instagram feed, which is really, really cool. So let's go to my Instagram feed now, and I will show you. I'm just going to refresh it here. Give it a few seconds. All right. My internet is a little slow. Let's go to my other reels. So this is a new tab that will show up for you right here. So you have your feed, you have your reels, IGTV, and your tags. Now, if you look at my Reels videos, I just started doing this to kind of experiment. I have gotten quite a views. Like the first video was a short video. I don't even think I used hashtags, and I got 7,000 views. The next one got 7,600 views. My son's video got 5,300 views. This video got 4,300. This one 46, 3,400, 4,000, and then this is the new video. But look at my IGTV videos. I barely got 1.1. Like I barely got 1,000 views. But on Reels, I'm getting tons of views. So it is worth using for your Etsy business. The key now is figuring out how you could promote your products, what creative ways you could do to promote your products and services using Reels. But as you can see, the video pops up here. When you're doing the video, you could pick a cover photo if you wanted to, or you could upload your own cover photo if you wanted to. And if you click on the little icon Reels, you will see the full video. Just in case you're wondering why it gets cut off, it gets cut off because it's optimizing it as a regular square because it's in the feed. However, when you click on it, it shows the full video. So you don't have to worry that you actually did something wrong. But as you can see, I already got 2 likes.
I will see you there.
Even though
hey guys,
this is just me talking. You see how on the bottom it says original audio,
and, in my new video,
and it just has me talking on the video. So that's what I was saying, that you could do a Reels when you talk, or you could do a Reels where you add music to it. If you add music to it, your voice will be muted. So just keep that in mind. And when you go to your Instagram story, you will find your Reels there as well, as you can see it here. And then you could save it to one of your highlights if you wanted to. I'm going to end up deleting this one because this was just a practice run. But this is how simple it is. Now the next step is how creative can you get with Reels for your Etsy business? Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you would like more videos like this in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching.